Today I'm going to be test riding what looks like a miniature Stark Varg. This is actually the Kooz HP131E, but it really does look like a super mini version of the Stark. They designed the plastics well. I really like the white colorway. This thing actually has a decent looking set of suspension on it, a 19-inch front wheel, a 16-inch rear wheel, about a 34-inch seat height. It weighs about 170 pounds, a 72 volt 35 amp hour battery, and an 8,000 watt mid-drive motor. I'm very curious to see if this thing is going to handle a motocross track. Let's go get out on the track and I'll talk about some more of the specs this thing has. If I can conquer some of these jumps on a real motocross track, I'm gonna call it a win. All right, let's go. Tabletop up front, we got it. There we go. Cleared one, cleared two. No way. Cleared three. With a top speed of up to 56 miles an hour, I think it's safe to say that this thing probably goes as fast as you need it to. Oh, dude, suspension actually felt pretty good through that chop. All right, let's go outside. There's no berm. See if I can get a little bit more speed for this table and crank it. Closest I've gotten. The torque picks up really quickly, and then the power is very linear through the rest of the rev range. Obviously, since it's electric, you got no gears, no shifting. Just hold this thing wide open, modulate the throttle everywhere. Oh yeah. Swing this big berm wide, going into it about 42 miles an hour hard on the brakes. Oh yeah. Come on. There she is. Oh, dude, if I fully committed, I have that. Dude, we are clearing all these tables in that rhythm so easy. I am so impressed, like genuinely so impressed. The seat feels nice and comfy too. Like, the seat is actually firm enough to support you, but soft enough that it doesn't hurt my butt at all. Oh yeah, hug that inside. Yo, nice Stark, dude.
Oh, thanks, man.
That thing's sick.
Appreciate it.
I'm calling this the mini Stark.
Did I like it? How fast does it go?
This is my first time ever riding it, and it's going fast enough to like clear the jumps and stuff, so. They actually did a pretty good job with like the shape of the shrouds. My boots aren't getting caught up on anything. I'm wearing my full-size motocross boots. It's very easy to squeeze this bike and control it with my legs. We're already extending our lead over the YZ125. Oh yeah. Yep, already. A few laps in, and this is already the best electric bike I've ever had. Hands down. Now that I've rode a couple more electric bikes, although they're all mini bikes, I really would like to see what it's like to ride a real Stark Varg. All right, full send. Oh shit! I think the suspension might have bottomed out going up the jump phase. All right, let's do another battery check. Ain't no way it says it's still full. All right, so we've done 10 miles on power mode 3. And it says we still have full charge. That's kind of crazy. I'm not sure how much I believe that. Oh yeah, she's still pulling the front wheel up. Ah, come on, you got it. Let's go. What's up?
Nothing. I was just gonna say, like, it's my first time on the track, so I'm sorry. I'm just trying not to get in the way.
No, you're good. I was telling you to keep ripping. Oh, okay. I was just trying to like get you on camera. That was all. I was trying to ride behind you. Yeah, I wasn't telling you to get out of the way.
My bad.
I hope you didn't think I was like yelling at you. I was just trying to like pump you up. Oh, now I kind of feel bad. I think he came up, seemed like he came up and apologized that, I guess he thought I was shouting at him to get out of the way or something. I was just trying to amp him up and have fun, ride with him. Dude, this thing cooks. Oh, so close. Yeah, the key with these e-bikes is just hold that throttle wide open, man. The brakes are plenty good. You just gotta hold down that lever, just mash them, and it slows me down just fine. Oh, sketch. Let's see if I can seat bounce this out of the inside line. Oh, so close. Oh, dude, it's carving corners like a beast. So a lot of the e-bikes that companies send me, like the mini e-bikes, aren't very capable of doing a whole lot but like having fun on trails. I didn't expect a whole lot from this thing, but it's actually pretty capable of ripping around a motocross track. I don't know how many laps this thing's gonna last because I'm like full throttle everywhere, but I'll let you guys know at the end of the video how many miles we get out of this battery. And it does handle pretty good. Like in the corners, it feels pretty stable and neutral through the straightaways and through the corners. Get these jumps. All right, I gotta put the mini Stark right next to the full Stark. See, there's similarities. If that was white, oh yeah, the mini Stark, the super mini Stark.
All of these motors don't have like the number
plate here.
Yeah.
I like that it looks like an actual dirt bike, you know? Yeah. That's pretty cool. All right, ready to go trail ride tour. Gonna do some trail ride and see how fast I can rip through here. Showing my buddy Logan around. Oh, she's steep. And to be honest, the size of it, I think it's more fun flicking around a smaller bike in the woods. Like, I'd rather ride this than a full-size dirt bike through tight trails like this. It's lightweight, it's small and easy to flick around corners. You don't have to shift because it's electric. Got tons of pep, tons of torque. Oh yeah, suspension over the roots. We cooking. I didn't take off the brake sensors. I probably should have done that, but they haven't bothered me too much yet. Let's try this. Oh yeah, plenty of power to get up that. All right, we've already put 17 miles on the battery. This thing claims it has a top speed of 56, I believe. I'm curious to see if we can get even close to that. The battery's still showing that it has like 3 bars, almost full charge. But like I said, we already put 17 miles on it today. Right now we're topping out at about 40, 41. So as you put more miles on it, as the battery starts draining, it's not going to hit 57. I'm pretty much topped out at 40 right now. I don't know if other people are going to have this issue, but my battery readout is not updating to show me how much battery I actually have left. It keeps telling me that I have a full battery, and I've put 19 miles on this bike today, and I'm going wide open, and the bike is way slower than when I first started riding it. So I don't have a whole lot of battery power left, but it's still telling me I got a full charge. That's gonna wrap up the test ride on my Kooz HP131E, AKA the Mini Stark, the Super Mini Stark. Honestly, this is the best and most capable electric dirt bike that I've ever had. I've never had a chance to ride the full-size real Stark, but hopefully I will get to do that someday soon. But yeah, genuinely very impressed that this thing was able to rip me around the motocross track, hit the jumps, hit the corners with speed. Like, it had no problem. So the price tag on this thing is $27.99, and I think that's a pretty good deal. If you guys do want to get one for yourself, there's going to be a link down in the description or down in the comments, and you can also use my discount code Derek for another $100 off your order. Hope you guys enjoyed this little test ride, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.